Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Asad Yaqub. Well guys, sometimes on Friday when they announce IELTS results, most of the students, they get their results, but there is a small minority of students who don't get their result. Instead of that, they receive a message, results delayed. Now, what does it mean? What do they mean by delaying the result? Well, let me tell you, whenever IELTS result is prepared, there are certain quality checks that they apply. They apply the quality checks on the results to make sure IELTS is having its integrity and all that stuff, fairness and all that stuff, right? So why are the results delayed? Sometimes your bench score is not congruent. I'm using the word congruent. Congruent means your reading, writing, listening, speaking, 4 skills, they are not congruent. Somewhere you've got high bands and somewhere you've got very low bands. So for example, if you're getting listening 6, reading 6.5, speaking 6, writing 6.5, this is congruent. But on the other hand, if your listening score is 7.5, reading score is 4.5, speaking score is 5.5 and writing score is 7, these type of results are actually, what you say, observed by the quality checks, and then they make sure, like they want to know why this candidate has got such variations, because sometimes some people use the wrong means. For example, for listening, some people buy answer keys in advance. I don't know how they do it. Maybe with the help of people who are working there. So they just get the answer sheets, listening answer sheet, reading answer sheet. In that case, their listening and reading bands are higher than their speaking and writing band. So in that case, there is the quality check, and sometimes as a result of quality check, the test is cancelled as well. The results are delayed for 1 week to 4, 5, 6 weeks, and at the end, if you are found guilty, then they are going to cancel the test as well, and then either you'll have to take IELTS test again, but sometimes they ban you as well. If they ban you, that ban is for 2 years. If you do anything wrong, then they may ban you as well. So this is how the results are delayed, but otherwise, if you didn't do anything wrong, you are 100% sure, then after a couple of weeks, they announce the results as well. Sometimes the results are delayed because of the workload. They do not make all the result. 90% people get their result, 10% they don't. So then they announce the results in the next week or next few days and all that, right? So don't worry about it. Yes, you should be worried if you are guilty. But if you are not guilty, you should not be worried. You will get your results sooner or later. All the best guys. Thank you very much. I also teach IELTS online all over the world and on campus here in Lahore. If you want to be the part of my online or on campus IELTS classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub truly wishes you best of luck. Take care. Allah Hafiz.